Hey, I just want to kind of go over this really quickly because a lot of times I talk about, well, trading is simple, right? Actually, clicking the button, getting into a trade is very simple. It's not hard at all. Anybody can do it. The part about becoming a trader and why trading is so emotional is for maybe an instant like this. You have a trade plan and you're watching the market. You've been watching the market now for hours and your trade plan hasn't set up. And it's been doing something and you want to click the button, right? But clicking the button without having a calculated idea of what the result is going to be is where traders get in trouble. Another part of the mental game of trading is seeing a big move up or down and then wondering why your trade plan isn't picking those moves up, or why didn't I get into this move, or why didn't I buy here, or why didn't I sell there. This again starts putting into that mental game of why trading becomes so difficult for so many. It's the fear of missing out, the greed of not getting in. Those are what dictates whether somebody is most likely going to be successful in trading or not. So days like this where a trade plan isn't setting up, I kind of go and replay trades and just kind of switch back and forth to the live market, seeing my trade is there or not there. Listen to music, could read a book, just something to kind of keep your mind from wandering that you're missing out on something that you're not, right? When you can start understanding that clicking the button is awesome, but maybe not clicking the button is where you're really going to start becoming a great trader. Now, it doesn't mean that there wasn't opportunities here. And again, you can go back and test and try and find something like that. But the first part is getting something that you have a really good idea that will start gaining you some money and not losing it, and then being able to execute it. And then if you have time, go back and maybe start looking at some other opportunities. But keep on the path. If your trade says get in. If it doesn't, don't. And then try to control those emotions that you're not missing out on anything and you're doing just what you're supposed to be doing. Have a great one, and we'll see you next video.